PowerPoint development program. And one question that I want to ask you is, what is a leader? You don't have to answer me, just think about it. Tapos, as much as you can, sagutin niyo yung tanong ko. Okay, in First Vita Plus, meron tayong unique setting, environment. Ano yung unique na yun? Okay. We are in an environment na tao ang ino-operate natin. Okay. Hindi yung negative, ha? RJ. Positive yun. Okay. So we deal with people in First Vita Plus. So yun ang isa sa mga strengths natin. Kasi sino ba ang dominant na species on Earth?
Human being.
Tao, human beings. In fact, we are 7 billion people and growing. Mabilis nga minsan eh. In fact, in the Philippines, we are already 118 million Filipinos in just what? The last time we checked before the pandemic, it was 110. Kasalanan yata ni pandemic. Ba't napabilis? Naging 118. Okay. So, we all know that sa First Vita Plus, tao, we deal with people every single day. Every part of our journey, tao ang kasama natin. Ang kausap natin, ang kasama natin, ang magiging kasama nyo until the end. Okay? Wala nang iba. Because that is the nature of our business. Network marketing. Okay. Kaya yung importante sa akin na malaman mo kung ano ka, kasi para maintindihan mo kung para dito ka ba sa negosyo na to. Kaya sabi ko sa inyo kanina, if you do something that you do not believe in, then it is stressful. It will be stressful. But if you do something that you love, then there's passion in it. Pasus, in Latin, meaning to sacrifice. Kasi, if you love something, if you love someone, hindi po pwedeng walang sacrifice eh. Hindi po pwedeng palaging masarap, palaging maganda, hindi realistic. Kasi, may mga araw na masasaktan ka, mawawalan ka ng tao, malalagasan ka, may kukuha sa tao mo, may question ang kakakayanan mo maging leader niya. So, hurtful yun. Hurtful yun. And, if you take that to account, pwedeng sabihin mo isang araw, ayoko na. Ang sakit eh. Kaya lang, may kaya lang. Babalikan natin kung bakit ka nandito in the first place. So you have to return to your core. Kasi nandun eh, kung bakit ka nag-First Vita Plus. So, babalikan mo, bakit nga ba ako nandito? So maraming magiging sagot. Maraming magiging dahilan. Tapos, tatanungin mo at sarili mo, mas malaki ba yung power na meron yung sakit? Sa power na meron yung dahilan kung bakit ako nandito in the first place sa First Vita Plus. So the answer will always lie on you. Nandito. Hindi ko to tinuturo. Kasi nandito. It's in your core. Now, kanina na pag-usapan yung Maslow hierarchy of needs. Bakit kaya? Bakit importante sa atin na palagi natin huwag kakalimutan yung Maslow hierarchy of needs? Why? Because lahat ng tao na makakausap mo at ililid mo from today, because I would like to believe that you are all leaders. May pangangailangan. Kaya nga sila nag-First Vita Plus eh. Kaya ka nga nandito sa First Vita Plus kasi nangailangan ka. Ang maganda, si First Vita Plus naging solusyon. Siya pala ang hinahanap mo. Siya pala yung solusyon sa lahat ng tanong mo, sa lahat ng gusto mo. Siya pala yung nagbigay sa iyo ng konkretong solusyon. Sabi mo, gusto mo man lang makakain 3 beses ang araw. Makapag-provide sa family mo makakain kahit na yung basic food, shelter, sleep. Sabi mo, pag dumating yung panahon na okay na lahat yung basic, gusto mo naman i-elevate. Magkaroon ng sariling tahanan na mas tatawag mo na sa'yo, na hindi ka papaalisin anytime na wala kang pambayad ng upa. Na kahit na COVID, alam mo na protektado ka kasi in the first place, o minsan nga, yun yung naging dahilan mo, ba't ka nag-First Vita Plus? Kasi napagaling ka ng produkto ng First Vita Plus. So, nandun yung health freedom. Hindi sinasabing hindi ka magkakasakit, kaya lang, mas meron ka ng panlaban. And then, syempre, hindi naman, tinuturuan naman tayo sa First Vita Plus ng 50-30-20. So, savings is very important. Para sabihin mo na, kahit na paano stable. Stable ako, mga ilangan man ako, sa panahon na ipit, meron. And then, mag-elevate. Kasi lahat yun, pangangailangan ng katawan eh. Diba? Hindi naman lahat physical. Lalalim siya, pero tumataas yung consciousness mo. Bakit nandito ka sa First Vita Plus? Sabi mo, minsan, yung pagmamahal na dapat nasa sarili kong tahanan sa First Vita Plus ko na natagpuan. Minsan yung pagmamahal na dapat binibigay ng mga taong malapit sa'yo o yung mga tao mismo na kadugo mo sa First Vita Plus na ngayon lang kayo nagkakilala, hindi kayo magkaano-ano, ni hindi mo nga alam kung papaano kayo nag-meet eh. Basta isang araw, nagkatabi kayo, tapos nag-usap kayo. Tapos na-share mo yung beauty ng First Vita Plus. Tapos sinabi na lang sa'yo na, pwede ba na sa'yo ko ipagkatiwala yung mga pangarap ko? Yun. Nasolusyonan yung matagal mo na problema na sana meron man lang kahit na konti naman na pagmamahal lang. Madama ko na genuine. Na walang kapalit. Hindi mahal kita kasi mahal lang kita, period. Okay. Tapos syempre, nung nadidiscover na natin kung sino tayo, minsan merong kulang kasi tao lang tayo, gusto rin naman natin na once in a while, maalala na may kagalingan tayo. You know, just a pat on the shoulder and say, you're doing great. You're doing a great job. Well done. Pero 2 times a year, Okay? Big deal yun sa akin to actually be in Araneta in front of 10,000 people honoring you for job well done. Not because you did something great only for you, but because I know na yung award na yun ay hindi lang dahil sa'yo, kundi dahil sa mga tao na kasama mo sa journey mo sa First Right of Us. And I'm pretty sure you shared with them. Kahit na ikaw yung pangalan na tinawag ko, I'm pretty sure na you would want to share it with all of them. Tapos, para sa'yo yung recognition doesn't stop from recognizing your efforts. Kasi, hindi naman dapat talaga doon nagtatapos eh. Kasi ano yung mission natin? Ang sabi natin, we would like success to be reachable, attainable, and most important of all, possible. So, ibig sabihin, hindi lang ikaw ang pupwede na makatanggap lahat ng from 1 to 4. Kasi sabi ng kumpanya, wala namang requirement eh. Kasi most of the time, when you receive something, palaging, ano gagawin ko para ma-receive ko yun? Ang sabi ng company, doesn't really matter. Anong edad mo? Go! Gender? Walang problema. Religion? I mean, we have Muslims here, we have born again here, we have Catholic here, we have devout Catholics here. But religion has never been an issue with attaining our goals. Meron nag-stutter. Meron minsan nasa spectrum. But it doesn't really matter. Kasi hindi naman yun ang sukatan of greatness. Kasi sabi ko, hindi, ang greatness is not about intelligence. It's about character. And it is about resilience. So, therefore, if you would be leaders, dapat nauunawaan natin at nilalagay natin yung sarili natin sa ililid natin. At dapat alam natin na may pangangailangan din sila katulad mo. Na dapat alam mo din na kung yung sagot sa pangangailangan nila ay First Vita Plus, kinakailangan dalhin mo sila sa tamang direksyon para matupad nila yung mga sagot sa mga tanong at pinapangarap nila. So, a true leader is not about putting others down, making anyone feel inferior because you are, what, already earning this much. Leadership is about empowering. Pinapasa mo kung ano yung meron ka sa mga downlines mo. It is about them getting inspiration from you. It is about people trying to help other people achieve great things. Ang isang leader understand the strengths and the weaknesses, the good and the bad, and then adjust and adapt accordingly. A great leader understands, encourages, and motivates not only the second layer, but the second layer, but the entire team to strive for excellence. I did not say perfection. Sorry, slide. I would say excellence. So not perfection for me. Kasi minsan, it is so intimidating yung word that minsan it freezes you. So I just would like to say excellence. Yung a better version of you every single day. While proving them that they have your support and guidance for them to succeed. May assurance na kasama mo ako dito ha. Nandito ako. Nasa tabi mo, nasa harapan mo, nasa likuran mo. Hawak kamay tayo. A great leader knows that anything is possible when people are united and working towards a common goal. And they use this belief to inspire others to reach for their highest potential. Ang isang leader, hindi lang dapat ay leader lang. Kanina ginamit ko yung word na effective. Kasi ayaw mo siguro maging leader na wala ka man lang effect sa buhay niya. Yung pwede kang kalimutan kasi nga transactional lang. Na anytime na tapos ka na, well and good, goodbye and thank you. No hard feelings ha, because I did my share, you did your share, we're even. Para sa akin, hindi yun yung gusto natin to aspire for. We would like to be effective leaders in 4 areas. Hindi lang isa. Hindi lang puro rational, mind, relational. Tapos, pag ginagawa mo si First Vitaplus, of course, yung practical. But most important of all, directional. Bakit? Kasi ikaw ang compass nila. Ikaw ang susundan nila. Kaya nga, wala ka sa likuran, di ba? Nasa harapan ka. Kasi anytime na gusto nilang makita kung saan sila papunta, ikaw ang titignan nila. I would like to keep this short because we have been talking about leadership in bits and pieces from yesterday. So siguro, isa lang yung ibibilin ko sa inyo. When you choose to be great leaders, I would like you to remember your role as a great leader. A great leader is not to give greatness to human beings, but to help them extract the greatness they already have inside them. Good luck. And good morning.